Hey y'all, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today starts another week of What's for Dinners. And tonight I'm gonna make, it's called chicken roll-ups. I've never made it before, but it always looks good when I see the recipe, so I thought I'd try it tonight since I just need to get something quick and easy on the dinner table. So I've got some chicken here. I'm just using my canned chicken. I will have the recipe linked below. I'm using a can of cream of chicken soup, a fourth of a cup of milk, and crescent rolls. I've got cheese here, I think a fourth of a cup, but I just used up the little bit I had left. I got peas here. I'm gonna make those on the side, I think with some rice as well. So what I'm gonna do is, it says to put the soup mix in with the cheese and mix that up, and I think with the milk. All right, y'all, I mixed up the cheese, the milk, and the soup. If you hear something, that cat is over there drinking water. He always comes and eats or drinks when I'm shooting video. But I mixed up the sauce, or the soup mixture, and I did put I put 1/3 of a cup in the bottom of the pan, which looks like hardly nothing. So now I'm going to start on the crescent rolls. It says to put some chicken on the bottom part, the wide part. So I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm using my shredded chicken, but you can use your cooked chicken breasts. I'm just going to lay that there. I don't want to put too much in there. I want to be able to roll it up. All right, then it says to put a teaspoon of the sauce over the chicken. So y'all know I don't measure. I'm just going to put a little couple globs on there. And then I'm going to roll it up. Some of it's going to fall out. I'm going to stuff it back in there. Probably not going to fill them up this much. The next couple. The first one looks a lot better than the second one does. I've got my soup right here, and I'm just going to lay them in the pan. All right, I'm going to take the rest of this cheese sauce and put it over the top. I want to put them on 350 and cook them for about 15-20 minutes. All right, y'all, it's out of the oven, and this was delicious. I served it with some rice and some peas, and that's what we have for dinner tonight. Okay, tonight we're having like a chicken pie or a chicken casserole. This was quick and easy. This is exactly what I like on a weeknight. And I'm just using the stuffing mix from Aldi. It was really good. And this whole meal was delicious and took no time to make. And I've just got the stuffing mix, leftover chicken from the chicken roll-ups, and cream of chicken soup. Just mix that together, and then I grease my pan. This will bake for about 30 minutes on 350 until it's nice and bubbly. We had company come, so I'm just going to kind of show you what we had. This is the chicken pie, delicious. And we had some steamed broccoli with it, and some mashed potatoes, and some cream corn. So this is what we had for dinner tonight.
What's that?
Potatoes.
You don't make me
Yeah, I'm going to make you some.
a pump. Is that strawberry? Strawberry?
No, that's not strawberries. All right, y'all, tonight we're going to have some shake and bake pork chops, and I've got some sweet potatoes here, not strawberries, and some red potatoes, and I'm going to make these center cut pork chops and coat them in the shake and bake. I'm going to add the avocado oil to the potatoes and mix that around. I'm just going to add some seasonings. I'm going to add my onion powder. You know I got to have that. And just put that in there, and I'm going to get some salt and add some salt to it. And then I'm just going to mix that around and get it all coated. All right, y'all, I've got my pan sprayed, and I've laid all the vegetables out as evenly as I can without getting them to touch. And I'm going to put them in my air fryer in the oven and cook them until they're nice and tender. All right, I'm going to take my Great Value Extra Crispy Seasoned Coating Mix, and I'm going to coat all the pork chops. I'm going to try to do it while my little buddy's over here trying to get my attention. Okay, I managed to coat my pork chops, and I'm going to put them in the oven. Uh-oh, steam bath. I'm going to put them in the oven with the roasted vegetables. They're not quite done yet, so they should both be done at the same time. And I'm really liking this air fryer. You can get a whole lot of stuff in it instead of, that little bitty basket that I have with my other air fryer. Next, I'm going to make some green beans from the freezer. I just put them in the microwave and kind of defrosted them a little bit, but I've got nothing in the pan. I'm going to heat these green beans up and get all that water off of them. And I ended up not using these green beans because these were a little bit past their prime, so I opened up another bag, and they were a lot better than these. These I had to put in the compost pile. Y'all, those green beans were amazing. I added some oil, salt, and pepper, and onion powder. I've got some garlic toast, those roasted vegetables. Those were delicious. Some of the pork chops came out amazing. Everything was just delicious. Very kid friendly. I even got a thumbs up from Jackson. So I hope y'all enjoyed these meals we had this week. I hope you'll like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video.